Hello, ghouls and goblins! Welcome to the Witching Hour. I am participating in KatPaperLove's Haunted YouTube Hop. Today's video is a project update of what I have completed for my swap with KatPaperLove. As mentioned in the title, there will also be a giveaway. Follow along to the next video, KatPaperLove, and make sure you are subscribed to everyone's channel. Kat's video will have all the giveaway details, so make sure to comment on her video when you have subscribed to all of the channels for a chance to win the spooktacular giveaway. Stay spooky, friends! Make sure to subscribe now so that you don't miss out on the giveaway and the upcoming hop. So stay tuned for this project reveal. It's a sneak peek. Stay spooktacular! So let me show you what I did to create this look. And what I initially did was I purchased this skull at the 99-cent store. And I took some gesso that I had in my stash. I picked this up at Michael's. You can find gesso at any Michael's or Joann's or other craft stores like Walmart. And what the gesso does is it's a prime. So you prime your material, any material you can paint this over, and it's a clear white. You use it as a primer so that you can allow your acrylic paint to set onto whatever material that you're covering. So it was able to cover most of the black, kind of like the black soot on the original skull. And then I took 2 coats of this Martha Stewart acrylic paint. This is a multi-surface satin acrylic paint that I picked up at the Tuesday Morning a couple of years ago. Let's see, 2016 for 99 cents. And this one is called Satin Piglet. I put 2 coats on this, on the skull. And I used actually my heat gun to kind of dry in between, and it was a little bit tacky, and I put the second coat on, and it kind of created a little shabby look. It's not completely entirely all pink. There's some white showing through, and that's fine with me. So I did that with the Martha Stewart paint. And then I wanted to add some of this multi-surface glitter that I found. And this is Glitter Sunset, and also 99 cents at Tuesday Morning. And I originally applied it to her eyes, the inside of her eye sockets. However, you can't really tell very much. It's a very opaque paint, so when I applied it, there wasn't much in it that set onto it. But I was originally planning on adding this glass glitter. This glass glitter I picked up at Michael's. It came in a set a couple of years ago. It was on clearance. I usually love to purchase clearance items at Michael's. I keep it in my hoard vault, and when I have a project in mind, I pull it out and use it. And then I also took some of my Bow Bunny Gold Glimmer Spray that I picked up, I believe at Tuesday Morning. I don't have the tag with me, or the little sticker on this, but I know I picked this up at Tuesday Morning. It's a gold glimmer spray. And let me show you the little glimmer, if you can tell. So I sprayed it all throughout the skull. You can't really tell too much. In person, you can tell the dazzle is a little bit more spooktacular. But I sprayed it all over the skull to add just a little bit of shimmer and glimmer to her face, her beautiful face. And then the rest of the items that I used, I'll share with you. This I picked up at Walmart a while back. You can find this in the craft section. And these are some faux pearls that I picked up. And that's what I used to hot glue the eyes that I applied in the socket. Oh, by the way, how I added this was that while the paint was still very sticky, or while it was drying, I added the glitter glass, as well as I took my glue gun and applied some of the glue inside of her sockets, and I just sprinkled the glass glitter all over the sockets, and when it air dried, it just stuck. I also took my glue gun and I applied the little pearls to the back of the socket so that it stuck. And then there's this little gem, a clear gem, that I applied to the inside of the nose. And for her little hair or hair piece, I took these were some really cute purple stemmed flowers at the 99-cent store. They're in their little flower section, and they come in, oops, let me pull that back. They come in a bouquet, if you will. And so I just took my my scissors, my special cutting scissors, I forget what they're called, because there is metal here in clippers to clip this, to safely clip them so it wouldn't damage your scissors. And I took 2 of them and I applied it to the side of the skull with hot glue. And I really love the look because of the little, gosh, this word escapes me, tool. The little tool that I was able to cover to a portion of her face. And the little spider, the rose gold glittered spider, is actually a plastic spider that I picked up at the 99-cent store only as well. And it comes in a 2-pack. It's the Happy Halloween spider. So this is one of my project shares for the Pasteloween Haunted projects. It's a swap that I'm partnered up with KatPaperLove, and this is just a little sneak peek. I have other projects that I have been working on. The other projects are there's a flower crown that I have created. It's a Katrina style, so I'm really excited about that. And if you are interested in following along with me, I will be showing you up until the whole reveal, which is when we mail out our swap. October 6th is when we are able to open up our packages that we swapped with each other, and we're going to be presenting this ceramic skull that everyone created for each other, a flower crown, Katrina style. We have purchased for each other a scented candle that's store-bought, that's about 8 ounces, and we are to make an embellishment book, a spooktacular embellishment book. And we're to package to theme to send out for our spooktacular witchy partners. So stay tuned for that, and make sure you hop along to my swap partner, Abby. She is KatPaperLove, and be sure to leave a comment on her video so that you can participate in her giveaway. So thank you so much for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed my project. Please leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. And I may add maybe a little bit more dazzle around her eyes. I'm not sure. Maybe add some pearls or holographic sequins. So let me know what you think. It's still a work in progress. I still feel like I need more, but then sometimes simplicity is wonderful too. So I hope everyone was inspired by this is my very first skull altered project, so I was really excited about participating in this swap, and I'm really happy with how this turned out. So thanks again for watching, everyone. See you next time. Bye.